Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AVXL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And really, update is the right word, but confirmation would probably be more of an accurate term. So what I'm going to do here, just for simplicity's sake, is just get rid of that line there, because sure, that still pertains, but I don't want to have too many lines all over the place. But the first big point of confirmation is in regards to this green line right here, which I talked about as support. And I promise I have not moved that green line. If you don't believe me, that's fine. You can just go back in the video archive and look. But you can see right here the power of charts bounce beautifully right off that level. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not trying to say that charts are perfect or anything like that. But sometimes you'll come across people that imply that charts are worthless or charts don't work or anything like that. Charts are something that should definitely be in your tool belt as a trader or investor. Like I said, here's a perfect example of that. You know that there's some chart players out there that bought that pullback right around that area, and they're smiling ear to ear right now as they got a very nice bounce to the upside. But then just from the general charting perspective, as far as levels of support are concerned, definitely 365 confirmed as that key level of support. The overarching area of support, which I believe I talked about on Monday, is still that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. And as a reminder, moving, meaning that line will continue to move itself higher and higher. So basically a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the movement, that right there being defined as quote unquote the movement. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, or however you want to look at that. Now, as far as resistance levels, right here at 395-ish is still acting as resistance. I would agree that it got weakened up today because earlier on in the day, yeah, the price was able to get up above it, but because the price was not able to stay up above it, that's why it's still got to be considered an area of resistance. But yeah, no doubt about it. Like I said, I would fully agree. It's a weakened resistance, but still a resistance nonetheless. And then just in case, the price tries to make another push upwards, one of the newest areas of resistance that was revealed after today, right up there at about $4.10. Overall, though, as long as the price continues to chip away and build those higher bases, that's what you want to see. So we'll see how this one continues to play out as the week continue. Let's see. I'm stumbling over my words because I'm trying to think. So tomorrow, Wednesday, the market closes at 1 p.m. Eastern. And then on Thursday, the market is closed in its entirety. So really only about a day and a half left of this entire week. But we'll see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.